Welcome to Piping Tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be showing you weld neck flange dimensions in inches. This video provides excellent information for pipe fitters. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel before starting the video. Let's starting pipe tutorial video. In this video, we will learn dimensions in inches weld neck flanges, ASMEB 16.5 class 150. As you can see, this is weld neck flanges general view and dimension chart in inches. NPS is nominal pipe size in the first column of the table, showing measurement of the weld neck flanges. In this column are showing measurements of the weld neck flanges 1 inch up to 10. Diameter D, when talking about the diameter of the weld neck flange, meant this measurement of the flange. In this column are showing dimensions of the diameters of the weld neck flanges 1 inch up to 10. Outside diameter of the weld neck flange. When talking about the outer diameter of the weld neck flange, this measurement is understood as the side where the flange joints the pipe. In this column are showing dimensions of the outside diameters of the weld neck flanges, 1 inch up to 10. This measurement is understood when we say the height of the weld neck flange and is marked with H in this example. In this column are showing height dimensions of the weld neck flanges 1 inch up to 10. One of the important measurements in flanges is the measurement called PCD. The pitch circle diameter, PCD, is the diameter of the circle which passes through the center of all the studs holes and is marked with K in this example. In this column are showing the pitch circle diameters of the weld neck flanges 1 inch up to 10. A stud holes are an opening in the flanges that to fix it in place. Bolt or stud holes are to allow the flange to be aligned in the right place and is marked with L in this example. In this column are showing a stud holes diameters of the weld neck flanges 1 inch up to 10. In this cell of the table are showing of the 4-inch weld neck flange dimensions. The diameters of the 4-inch weld neck flange is 9 inches, and we are writing this on our example. The outside diameter of the 4-inch weld neck flange is 4.5 inches, and we are writing this on our example. The height of the 4-inch weld neck flange is 2.94 inches, and we are writing this on our example. The PCD diameter of the 4-inch weld neck flange is 7.5 inches, and we are writing this on our example. The stud holes diameter of the 4-inch weld neck flange is 3/4 inches, and we are writing this on our example. A bevel is opened on this marked part of the weld neck flange, allowing better quality welding to the pipe or other pipe fittings. This tutorial video is finishing here. If you have any question about video, you can write comments in the comments section. You can watch like those videos by entering the links in the description below of this video. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our piping tutorial channel and turn on notifications to be notified of our new piping tutorial videos in time. Your support is very important for us. Let's not miss the comments and likes, my friends. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Take care.